Greetings. This is my submission of Project 2 Commerce for my CS50 web program with Python and JavaScript course. So let's go. The first requirement is to use models beside from the user model. Auction bids, comments made on auction listings. So here are those models. I have 7 models: bid, comment, listing, watch list, and closed listings, and all listings. You can see that I use char fields, foreign keys, text fields, integer fields, and this is my interface. The second requirement is for it to have a page for creating listings. So if I log in, I can create a listing here. I can name it. So object. This is an object. Here I can select a category: fashion, tools, toys, electronics, home accessories, and books. And I can set my initial bid. I can here put an image link, which is optional, and I can submit it, and then it is. And there's also this page that has all active listings. I have this invisibility cloak, which I created with another user, so we can see what happens when I am not the owner and when I am the owner of the auction. So if I hit a listing page of an item that I do not own, I can here bid now. If the user signed in, the user should be able to add the item to their watch list. Here's what I have done. As you can see here, I have this item in my watch list, and I can remove it or add it, and you can see the update here. I can set my bid in 902. It updates. If I try to set a value that's under that, it won't allow me to. And I can comment. And submit my comment. There it is. If I go to a listing that I own, I am not able to bid, I am not able to add to my watch list, I am not able to comment, I only can close the auction. If I close it, it will display this page where it will show me who won the auction and who owned it and what's the price that won. Now I can go to my watch list and see the items I have on them, and I can go to the category page. As you can see, if I am not logged in, I am not allowed to add something to my watch list. I'm not allowed to comment. I can only see the auction. Now let's log in again. Here I can go to the categories page, and it will show me every category that has active items, active listings. So I have here the invisibility cloak, which belongs to the category of fashion. And that would be it. No, wait. I have to show the Django admin interface. So here's the interface. I can manage listings, bids, user, watch lists, and comments from here. So that would be it. Thank you for your attention, and I'll see you when I submit Project 3.